So good day everyone. Now I will show you on how to create a high fidelity wireframe prototype, and I'm using the Figma. So let's start. So now I am show you the home page of the Figma. So let's add for the rectangle to add the background of the prototype, and then we will choose a color. So it depends on you on what color you want. So I'm choosing the dark blue, and then we will add the um, rectangle again for the button, for the home button, and then we will copy it, copy, and for the another button, for the login button, and then um so you can adjust it. Depends on you. Uh, okay. So I'm just framing it. Then we'll add the text, which is the home button. So I'm choosing the font. Which font is is nice one. So let's search for the Roman Times New Roman. I think it fits on the. So let's type home. Yes. So we will adjust the font size, and um, so we will adjust it into 36. If this fits in, then so we will adjust slightly. I'm just adjust, change what's the best background for it. Let's go here. Now I think it fits in here. So let's here blue. I think blue fits in a little slightly. So let's go to the another. The um, let's add text again. Let's type for the login. Log, yeah, and then adjust again. Let's adjust the color. And for the same color, so there you go. And then um, we will add some pictures for the for some. But I use this one. I just get it in the uh, internet. This picture, so we will adjust it. It depends the style. And then we will add the for the text. Employee management system. Okay, then we will adjust here a little bit problem. So here, let's just adjust the. It depends on how you style your prototype. So then, and then you can adjust the font size, the font style. Yeah, it's up to you. But I'm not. I make it simple. My so you can choose columns. So I think it's not. Just have to change the. So I think I'm gonna change the background because it's very dark. Let's make it lighter. A little bit lighter. So yeah, a little bit lighter. So I think we will adjust this font to 64. So let's adjust. All we do is to adjust. Um, adjust. So couldn't find out where I'm gonna put this one. So let's adjust uh, the picture. So I think this is the simple high prototype, high fidelity prototype. This is for just the page one. So we will continue to the um, second page. So this is the home, the login. It's quite simple.
So in this video, here in login, home login, then here and another page, we, we will make a rectangle. We will make a rectangle so that there we can put the email, the password, and the login. So we will adjust first the the size and the timing is yes there. Okay, para ma-center hiya, para ma-center and ko unbox. Ato na ni adjust. Wait la, wait. Wait, diri pa na ano. Ito na, tapos magkaw na kita ng image. Ato, tapos avatar la hiya, aw, an image, avatar iton, han ko han email, pagkat nan login ba dira avatar laton hiya dire to niya as in representation representation laton hiya pero it doesn't mean niya it dire ton kuan talaga nga ikaw iton kuan la representation laton na image nga may da face han kuan kun maglalagin ka na ha employee. Then another rectangle since nawara man an usa maghimo na lang kita bag-o na rectangle nga na magkakapantay hira. So anay adjust naton. So i-adjust naton an kuan an image ikaw naton kato yan na front. Anay. Then pagote ayon kada center. Since may guideline man hiya an red ngan blue. Ton. Tapos kang maniton hmm, nay lang. adjust anay adjust. Ato magiman lang kita rectangle para hit ano kundi magta-type an employee haniya email box wait ito natin adjust dinhi since na kon man hiya kolay awit hit color hit kuan background so aton babalyan ini niyan para maklaro nga di dahiya ma fill in o ma fill out an isa ka employee. So aton babagay-bagayon maraksot ani. Wait lang. So iton white. Aton i-adjust first para maupay kitaon. Tapos ano tanan text and email so sapitan ang rectangle na box. Anay kay aton ni adjust ini para pantahira nga di hit my icon box. Sunod kay aton copy paste para hit login liwat. Ini din hidapit. Karoy ginkikita ko lang kung may da ba talaga kung makaka-fill in ba talagan kung makaka-fill fill in ang mga tao it employees since it's wireframe langay an inihiya so dire iton hiya makaka-fill in an mga itmalag in bagat kan lang niya representation la hit ko an itsura hit ko an hit website. So nagimo na kita hinusa nga box aw gin copy paste naton tapos aton nibot ang liwat kay password. Then aton liwat ito ni adjust papantay nga dihan email or didihan ya box. Wait lang. Since suman naman ini hiya ang password then makakuhalot kita hin rectangle wait lang kikita ko pa ito maangay ba siya okay naangay man niya so mabalik lang kita nga to ha may aton kaan so mabalik kita pag himo otro so may danad to login may danaya login na nabutang tapos aton gin copy paste and kuan so aton nan employee login aton navigate to admin or home So an admin login gin navigate naton to admin page. Kay para pag pindot nato ng admin, ano ba? Anay, wait lang. Aton i-adjust. Yaton ibalyuan niya yan. Employee login, tapos may log out. Aton balyuan liwat. In-connect naton hamay admin. Ay, adjustment. Ay. Masaan ini na login, diyan may nakita ka mo login. Ini rectangle itong gihap, tapos gin-change ko lang color, tapos red and black and iya font, tapos gin-copy ko lang itong niya para didihan usa nga admin. Didihan usa. Okay, tapos log out, gin ko connect ko hamay home. Okay, para pag pindot it log out, makatuya home. So diri talaga ni assurance nga amo talaga ini, pero ako pagin tatry pag-adjust kay damon bagat diri hiya feel ko diri hiya amo talaga wait. Ito naghimo gin-copy ko iton, gin-copy ko tas gin karoy ko ta ibutang hiya sapitan may login, since diriya na transfer bagat makuti. So atong bubuhaton nala kay ikakopy hiya, tapos inihiya nga kuan sa may diner na yan na. Aton ni tatanggalon kay pwede. Tatanggalon na home login, tas ini nga image tatanggalon niton. Amin taxi niya nga diri pa assurance adton akong ginhimo kay bagat makon pa makote. So ini babalhin naton ini an admin logout. Yan. Wait lang. Delete ito niya. So itin in hiya ato ni adjust ikakatuha igbawan admin. Didi. Ton. Tapos ini nga logout. Pantay nera. So adjust ani. So na-adjust na ya, makadulot kita hamay kuan. Ini nga i-delete, tas delete. I-delete niya. Kaman nini ikakopy na ako nini at para transfer nga ton usa nga page. Kakopy ko ton, tapos ikakadi ko i-adjust ko pagyap. Nini adi na iya. So ato na i-adjust. Center ton. Center na iya. So anay da. Tapos ini ko ang liwat Didi may ano anay ano bakit naglilipat na kinanay aton pero ibabalik ko lang lagyap aday ni ibabalik ko nan kuan ang login ngayon kay nakaindom dumak na may dangi ni ipipindutan nga ng login para makadtuan para pag mag-login makadtuha may employee yan may daton adjustment wait la ini ikakopy ko tas ikakato ko another page since ano sa nga inihiya ginkuhan ko man ini gimbal hindi what di-delete ko tas ipipaste ko din yes dinhi ipaste ko ano na i-adjust ato natin i-adjust kay para center niya so ang red line amo ito net red line amo to naggagayda akon para ma-center ang tanan so may inilot niya i-delete ko o tatanggalin ko ay may adjustment pa niya yan ato nini ikuan itatanggalon tas iniya tatanggalon iniya na may inihan image dinihan may kanina ni employee login ini dini wait lang adjust ko pa yun employee login yan log out kay nagkaano in-adjust ko kay gin-copy ko ngayon na doon dinhi gin-copy ko dinhi dapit tas gin-delete ko to kay may dakot ni ibubutan dinhi tas inihiya liwat inihiya na akong ginhimo nga kay i-delete ko gyapon ton so ano to ni bubutang dinhi kay selection login tapos tas hindi niya sa nga page employee login han ibaw dili yan maigbaw para dito kun magagaydan mga navigation iniliwat admin then makadilot kita may may selection login we will make a rectangle para makapili an kung malagin nga ni dinhira mapindot niya nila login dinhira dinhira nga page makikita kung hinot era ipipindoton employee ba or an login so wait first ato na ni adjust an rectangle tapos wait so an text liwat at font or yes ito na ni adjust gihap So, para makita na no, atong padakuon to.
In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of designing employee management system using Figma. Let's start by creating the two login buttons. First, to add text, select the text tool and click inside the rectangle and then type employee login. We're going to format the text by setting the font Times New Roman and the font size to 96. Make sure to align the text at the center of the rectangular button. Adjust the text color to red to contrast with the blue background. To proceed with the second button, select the Employee Login button and then duplicate it and rename the duplicate to Admin Login. Make sure to adjust it at the center. Next, let's give the button a background color. We'll use a black color. For the Employee Login button and Admin Login button, to make it distinct and easily identifiable. We're going to set the prototype trigger for the Employee Login button to on-click and the navigation destination to Employee. Animation, Smart Animate, the curve to Ace Out. Next, for the Admin Login button, we're going to set the prototype interactions. Let's set the trigger to on-click, action navigation to destination to admin, animation to instance. Let's preview our design. Hit the play button in the right corner of the Figma to see how the buttons interact. As you can see, the employee button is already interactive. For the logout button of the employee login, let's set the prototype interactions. The trigger to on-click, action navigation to destination to select login, and animation to instance. Next, on the admin login, let's set the logout button, prototype interaction trigger, trigger to on-click, action navigation to and destination to select login. Let's preview if it's working. Hit the play button in the right corner. Hit the play button in the right corner. Click the employee login and then log out. Click the admin login and then log out. As you can see, the prototype interaction is already working. Next is we're going to create a home button. Make sure to align it with the other text buttons. Let's set the text colors to black. The home, employee login, and log out button. We're also going to do the same at the home page. Set the text colors to black. And then the admin login page. Let's create a home button for the admin login. Make sure it aligns with the other buttons. And make it, I'll change it to black. Going to set the home button prototype for the employee login, the interaction trigger to on-click, action navigation to destination, home animation to instance. We're going to do the same in the home button in the admin login page. Now that we have set up all the interactions, let's preview the prototype. Let's click again the present button in the top right corner. As you can see, everything is working. This simple interaction brings the design to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.